Yeah, I'm rebuilding the front forks on the MXX. I've taken the right side apart and put it back together again with new seals in it, but it doesn't seem to have any dampening. It just brings me up and down. So I've taken the left side apart and it's missing a bunch of pieces. And it's put together slightly different than the one on the right. So I'm not sure what's going on. Oh, look at the mess. I'm having a hard time making this point to where I want it to point. The move left and right just seems to be zoom. I don't know what's happened here. I don't want zoom. Stupid thing. Alright, well there's... I gotta turn it upside down and it still won't point to where I want it to point. Right here there's supposed to be... I mean, what the fuck's wrong with this thing? Right there, supposed to be a ring, a bigger ring, and I think there's a large loose one that goes in here. Well, those are missing. And the washer was on the bottom of the rubber. The other one, the washer was on the top. So I'll have to look on the internet to see which way that goes. This is one of the bushing pieces, and it's some piece of plastic. The one on the right does not have that plastic. It's made out of metal. Almost like an automotive bearing with the Babbitt type material in copper. So something is wrong with the left-hand fork. It may not be original Honda, or somebody's put Chinese parts. So that was today's project, was to put new bearings. I got the new disc brake already on, bearings and dust seal, and I have a new caliper somewhere. So, too much fun. What is wrong with this thing? And I'll try to figure this camera out. It's just extremely difficult to make it look at things. Let's push it for zoom. I can't adjust the gimbal. Left. Right, or is that right, left? Where's the up and down? Push up, it zooms. Push down, it zooms out. Where's up and down? If I try to point down, it insists on looking where it wants to look until it runs out of movement. I don't understand.